I'm Zach Murata. I'm the production manager at Lighthouse. Today we are doing a collaboration with Skateshop. This is a brand new workshop we're trying out for the very first time.
My name's Louie. I run Cinema Skate Shop, and today we are doing a seminar / workshop in filming skateboarding with the fisheye. And the goal is to find all those shots that they land the trick and where the filming technique is clean, where we can edit them all together.
Hi, my name is Skippy Norton. I'm 13 years old and I came to skate park because I love skating and I want to share it with people, and I think filming it with cool cameras and lenses is a cool way to bring it to people.